Right, welcome back. Then it also says that words, long woorde, right, met meer as een lettergreep, right, more than one syllable. Now they've got a sample there, they've got an example of a word, dapper. Let me put the word here, dapper, right. When we pronounce the word dapper, we can hear a and a, right? So there's two sounds, right? Then we split it into two, dapper, right? That's the two sounds that we hear, 1, 2. So this word has 2 syllables, right? Then it says, 'n lang woord met meer as een lettergreep wat op er eindig, right? Right there, it says, 'n lang woord met meer as een lettergreep wat op er eindig, kry nie e nie, right? It doesn't get e. So, you cannot say dapper, right? Here on this one, dapper, it means what? What is it? Brave, right? The word means brave, right? You cannot say die klein seun is dapperer as die groot seun, right? Jy kan sê die klein seun is meer dapper as die groot seun, right? So you cannot put e on there. It says that it doesn't get e because it ends on er. Alright? Words with more than one syllable that end on er does not get an e. Okay? So the word will stay the same. When you put it in trappe van vergelijking, stellende trap, vergrotende trap, oortreffende trap. Right? Stellende trap is dapper. Vergrotende trap is meer dapper. Meer dapper. En oortreffende trap, die dapperste. Alright. Oortreffende trap, die dapperste. Okay? Alright, let me just move the camera so that you can see what I've done. Right. There we go. Right, so stellende trap, dapper. Vergrotende trap, meer dapper. Die klein seun is meer dapper as die groot seun. Oortreffende trap, die seun is die dapperste. Die klein seun is die dapperste van al 3, van al 5. Hy is die dapperste. Alright, then we add ste. Alright, in trappe van vergelijking. Maar nou praat ons eerst van bijvoeglijke naamwoorden. We are discussing bijvoeglijke naamwoorden, attributieve vorm. Because this word ends on er, it does not get an e. Okay? It stays like that. And then, let's go to the words that actually do get e, right? That say woorde met e. So these ones, they actually do get the e, right? There on page 242, on there you have this gray table. This gray table where it gives us what the word ends on. Then where it says met ear, that's where it says the words that actually do get the e with one syllable, right? As kort woorde met een lettergreep. So we have one short word, dof there. Een lettergreep, you cannot cut this one into 2, right? Een lettergreep, one syllable. Met een lettergreep op F, S, D of G eindig, gebeur snaakse dinge met die spelling, right? So then it tells us that if it ends on F, on S, on D, and G, this is short words, one syllable, ending on these ones, alright? F, S, D, and G. If they end on that, then things take drastic turns, okay? Like this word here, dof, right? It ends on an F. It ends on an F, so it will come here. When it is now in attributieve form, then the rule says that we must what? Put WWE. Not John Cena World Wrestling Federation, what? entertainment. We are talking about attributieve vorm by beskrywende woorde. Right? Byvoeglike naamwoorde. It ends on F, one syllable. There we see the changes take place. It says one syllable ending on these ones, and then we have to put WWE, making it a dowwe lig. Right, here they are talking about a light. Okay, they are talking about a light. Let me just move again so that we can explain on that side. Yeah, right, here they are talking about a globe. Right, so this globe isn't very bright, right? It's very dim. A dowwe lig is, it's a very dim light, alright? It's a very dim light. So this light won't be so bright. Okay, that is a dowwe lig. WWE when it ends on F. Okay. Then it says when it ends on S, decision as flux. Then when it ends on S, like they have flux there, then it has to become flux. So it does get a E. Words that get E. Right? Ends on E, it ends on S, so then we just add an E. In the attributieve vorm. Die seën is flux, dit is 'n fluxe seën. Dis 'n fluxe seën. Right? Then there where it says D, die water is koud. Now with the D, something else happens there where it says the water is, that is koue. The D fell away, changed into a E. That is koue lig. Right? Die water is koud, that is koue water. Alright. Then on G again, op G, een syllable, een lettergreep, sag. And then on this one we add TE, sagte. Die kussen is sag, dis 'n sagte kussen. When it ends on G there, we get TE. Okay? Right, so what you have there in your books, you have that activity there. Then also on page 243, they've got another issue. Let's discuss that issue with words that we have to learn as they are.